Hello to everyone. Myself Habibur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamic College Autonomous, Panambadi. Guys, today I would like to highlight very important question from our subject Human Resource Management. That is challenges of human resource management. What are the challenges of human resource management? Yes, there are so many challenges which are faced by human resource management. Important among them are: point number one, technological development; point number two, challenges of modernization; point number three, political environment; point number four, legal environment; point number five, socio-cultural environment; point number six, globalization; point number seven, trade union. Point number one, technological development. Technological changes and developments are happening in a rapid manner. Most of the job have a technology component and therefore skilled employees are required. Existing employees have to be trained on latest skills. Yes, guys, technological development has no limit. Every day technological development happens. You need to hire those employees who knows how to handle latest or modern technology in a respective manner, or you need to give training program, or even you can say development program to your existing employees to update themselves to utilize the modern technology which is incurred in the organization, which is arised demand by the customers. So technological development played very important role in human resource management. Point number two, challenges of modernization. As the organization uses modern technology, so the organization require more skilled and talented employees. Finding out skilled employee is the biggest challenges to a HR manager. Yes, guys, being a HR manager is not a easy task. You need to take care of everything with respect to human resources. If modernization happens and you need to hire skilled and talented employees, getting skilled and talented employees is not easy task at present market. Being a HR manager, it's your duty to select right person to the right job. Point number three speaks about political environment. Changes is the political environment leads to changes, challenges for firms and the human resource functions. Political parties may require implementation of reservation policies. Change in government may have a positive or negative impact on business or HR. Yes, guys, whenever political environment changes, definitely your business environment gets affected, because one political parties will tell one rules and regulation, another political parties will tell another rules and regulations. You have to follow whichever political parties ruling at present. That is what important task. Political environment plays very important role in human resource management. Being a HR manager, you have to focus on political environment, rules and regulations with respect to human resources. Point number four, legal environment. There should be awareness of government legislations, rules and regulations. The HR manager needs to follow the rules and regulations framed by the government. Yes, guys, here the government rules and regulations HR manager has to follow with respect to employees. That is, employees' salary, employees' incentives, employees' benefits, employees' holidays, employees' leaves, employees' bonus, so on. So, being a HR manager, you need to always monitor the rules and regulations framed by the government. Next, point number five, the socio-cultural environment. The values and beliefs, norms, traditions, and ethics of the society should be understood. HR policies and practices should be prepared considering the socio-cultural environment. Yes, guys, being a HR manager, you should always focus on social and cultural environment. Social environment refers to study about the people. Cultural environment refers to study about the behavior of the people. Being a HR manager, you need to study about the people as well as their behavior. Based on that, you need to act accordingly. Point number six, globalization. As firms operate in globalized market, the role of HR manager has become more challenging. Employees in a firm are not from a single country. HR manager needs to be aware of employee needs, design suitable salary structure, plan for training, and so on. Yes, guys, in the globalization, the employees may come from another country. Being HR manager, you need to understand employees' ideas, employees' wants, employees' satisfaction, employees' behavior, etc. Because they are from another country, they are working in your country, and you need to treat them in a respective manner. You need to maintain equality among employees. You should not see any bias or partiality among employees, because employees are main assets of the organization. So being a HR manager, you need to understand the comfortability of your employees. Next point, trade union. Yes, guys, this is the last and important challenges of human resource management. Trade union has become more forceful in their actions. They keep demanding high salary, benefits, and facilities for employees. The HR manager should deal trade union carefully. Yes, guys, trade union is a union which is created only for the benefits of the employees, especially for negotiation and bargaining. Being a HR manager, you need to understand the trade union perfectly, what they want, what their demands, etc. Based on it, you need to act accordingly. So yes, guys, these are the very important challenges of human resource management. Thank you very much. And next thing I will highlight in next video. Thank you. Wish you all the best.